After a decade of incredible and hard work to lift up the Copper Country, Copper Shores will take a moment to recognize its accomplishments. This weekend, the Community Health Foundation plans to celebrate its 10th anniversary during a special evening of black tie attire. In 2014, Copper Shores, at the time the Portage Health Foundation, broke away from the local hospital to focus efforts on bringing programming and funds to the Keweenaw Peninsula.
We had inspected 400 and some homes, invested about $2.3 million back into those homes, raised about a little bit over $1 million, I think it was. I'd have to go back and look and dust that off a little bit, but we put a lot of money back into helping our community recover from that flood. And I think that did a couple things. One is I think it helped provide some testimony to what's important to us here. Everybody that works here, was for the most part, born and raised here. This is home. And I think that really helped punctuate that we're invested in this community, and not just because it's a foundation, it's because this is home. The other thing that I think it did is it really helped solidify that people could trust us to put the money where we said it was going to go.
In the years after, the Portage Health Foundation worked with many local partners to source grant funds for projects, help support the vast network of recreation trails available to visitors and residents, as well as help to organize and maintain several education scholarships and local endowments. Then last year, the PHF took an even bigger step, acquiring the Senior Meals on Wheels program and Dial Help, becoming the Copper Shores Community Health Foundation.
At that time, we were really focused on, health making, granting back into the community, really looking at different aspects of healthcare access, education, coordination of services, recreation, and we really haven't deviated from that, but we've added to it. As we've gone through the last 10 years, we've matured in our understanding of what the needs of the community are, and we've developed partnerships and relationships in a community that have also influenced the way in which we're trying to attack some of the things that are pressing in our community.
Looking ahead to the next 10 years, Copper Shores Executive Director Kevin Storer says the foundation commits to continuing its mission to positively influence a more healthful community through philanthropy and collaboration.
Try to express some of what we've been able to accomplish, but at the same time make sure that we're celebrating all of the successes that we've seen as a community, because there's been a lot. And I say that from the public, private, nonprofit, for-profit standpoint. There's an awful lot going on in this community. When you drive around right now, you look at construction, you look at new programs, you look at new businesses started. There's an awful lot of good stuff going on, and we're one of the few counties in the state, certainly in the UP, that is seeing any type of population growth and expansion. And we're going to do our part to celebrate what we've been able to do to be part of that, but we're also going to do what we can to celebrate all the other stuff that's been done in the community.
This Saturday's 10th Anniversary Gala will take place at the Rose Center on Michigan Tech's campus. The evening will include food, a whiskey tasting with Ironfish Distillery, and gaming tables in the North Mezzanine. The evening will also host a live auction. Those interested in attending the 10th Anniversary Gala to celebrate the Copper Shores Community Health Foundation's past 10 years and another 10 more can find more details at abc10up.com. With ABC 10 and CW5, this is Thomas Fournier.